Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to see how to paste in place in Figma. So here suppose we have a frame and now let's duplicate it. We have a vector inside this frame like this. So now I want to copy and paste this vector on this second frame. So I will Command C or Control C and select the second frame and Command V or Control V. It will paste in place where it was in the previous frame. Like we can see here, it is 72 pixel from the left and 101 pixel from the top, and this is also 72 pixel from the left and 101 pixel from the top. Now if we have a different frame dimension, like we are creating a random frame here like this. Now select this and Command V. It will paste in place. I'll tell you why. Because it doesn't know where to place, so it is following the same aspect ratio of the previous frame where it was in the past. So it doesn't know it is left or it is right. It just following the same aspect ratio. Let's see another example. We are typing some text. Hello, good morning. Okay, I will place it here. Now we can see this is at the bottom. So I will Command C or Control C and select the second frame and Command V. It will place in place on the same distance from it where it was in the first frame. But when I will paste in this frame which have different dimension, let's see, Command V. It doesn't know where to place. It doesn't know where to place, so it has just followed the aspect ratio, like it was 78 pixel from the left, so in this also it is 78 pixel from the left. Also let's take a different frame like this and I will paste it here again. So yeah, see, it is 78 pixel from the left. It doesn't know where to go, so it follow the aspect ratio. If we do not select any frame and just paste by Command V, it will place on the top of itself. Okay, let's see it here. I copied by Command C and now I'm clicking here outside of the frame and now doing Command V. It is pasted here, you can see. If I copy it from here, Command C, and clicking on the background and now doing Command V, it will place here. From where I will copy it, it will go on the top of that. It is same with the text also. Like let's copy this and now I'm going to click on the background and again doing Command V. It is here, you can see. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel to get more such tips. Thanks for watching.